Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is provided. Today we decided to go out to eat. We decided to order out because decided to take a break because I had to go do some other business to take care of, so I didn't feel like cooking tonight. So we need to thank Louie's Pizza House in Waterbury, Connecticut for, look at this beautiful pastrami sandwich. Yes, pastrami, everyone. Real pastrami. Look at that. Don't those cheese fries look scrumptious? This is Louie's Pizza House's one of their best dinner options ever. Is a pastrami grinder with some of their famous 10 out of 10 cheese fries. This whole dinner is a 10 out of 10, everyone, because I love these. This is our dinner of the day today. So don't forget to give that thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out. Amen.